guys, welcome back to Teachers in Wonderland. We thought we would give you a quick apartment tour of a somewhat typical apartment in China. This is my place where I currently live with my son. In China, in most Asian countries, when you come in, you take your shoes off to keep the inside of the apartment clean. So these are kind of the shoes that I wear on a daily basis. So the bathroom is the first door that you come to in the apartment, and it's a pretty typical bathroom. It has a commode and a shower and a sink. The washing machine is also in the bathroom. One of the things that's different about bathrooms here in China is you're not going to find a lot of bathtubs. So if you do come to China and you find an apartment with a bathtub, another difference you'll find in the bathroom in China, and maybe in a lot of different places in the world that's different from America, is the size of the water heater. That little thing on the wall there is our water heater, and that's all the capacity that we have. So if you happen to have a teenage son who likes to take really long showers, you may have to wait until the morning to take your shower if you want hot water. So one of the things that you will find in a lot of Asian countries is they don't have really soft, squishy, fluffy mattresses. This mattress is really, really firm. And that's not a big issue for me because I tend to like a firmer mattress, but even this took some getting used to for me. This is not the issue in every single apartment, but in my apartment there is literally no storage. So when I walked in, we were like, well, where are we gonna put our clothes? But my landlord was nice enough to give us these two wardrobes. But if you notice, they aren't that large. So I really have to keep in mind what things am I actually wearing, which has helped me to pare down my wardrobe and get rid of a lot of the things that I don't use on a regular basis. So this is the dining kitchen area. One difference that you may notice in the dining kitchen area is, one, my refrigerator doesn't fit in the kitchen because my kitchen is tiny, but also I'm taller than the fridge. You really don't find American-sized fridges, those gigantic double-door deals that we have in America. So this kind of affects how you do your grocery shopping. I don't do a whole go to the grocery store on Saturday and shop for the week or for 2 weeks at a time because I just don't have the space. So I do spend more time at the grocery. Here's my tiny kitchen. It's about 12 tiles big. I don't do a lot of cooking in China because in America I did a lot of cooking via the oven, like roasting vegetables and roasting chickens and that sort of thing. And you may think,
oh Jenny, you have an oven.
But this is not an oven. This is a dish sanitizer. My oven is a tiny little, what we would call toaster oven. So I can't do a lot of roasting or baking in an oven that size. You can buy bigger ovens, Stephanie has a pretty nice sized one. But I ended up getting this little one to start with, and it's kind of what I'm stuck with. In America, I lived in a place that had really great drinking water. Here in China, and a lot of places around the world, you can't drink the water that comes out of the tap. So I had to purchase a water dispenser, and I ordered 18.9 liter containers of water, and it gets delivered to my apartment. This is a radiator, which is for most modern American homes, you wouldn't have one of these. But they're still used widely here in the part of China that we're in. Now, if you go to southern China, you may not have any heating at all because it's fairly warm throughout the year. But here we do get pretty cold winters. But another China thing is that you don't get to decide when your heat is turned on. You pay your bill for the winter, and then the government turns everybody's heat on at a specific date and turns it off again in the spring at a specific date. So if you're really cold or cold natured, or you're really hot natured, you'll have to get your fan or a blanket or a heating pad to kind of compensate for being really cold and the heat's not on yet, or being hot because the heat came on too soon. Hopefully you found this little house tour engaging, fun, maybe you learned something. As always, if you have any comments, questions, or concerns, leave them down in the description below. And like, subscribe, and hit the little notification bell so you'll know when we post future videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.